how to lock your private browsing windows on Safari iPhone 15 after iOS 17 update. Private browsing windows are now locked and require secondary authentication to unlock and access. If you hand your unlocked phone over to someone and their Safari private browsing tab, access will be denied without a second Face ID, Touch ID scan, or a passcode. The Face ID Touch ID requirement keeps the private browsing tab private even if someone else has access to your iPhone or iPad. The private browsing tab is locked by default in iOS 17. Now, here are the procedure to enable the second authentication for your private browsing windows. Open your settings of your iPhone, go to Safari, tap on Safari, and here scroll down, and here you will find the option require passcode to unlock private browsing. My iPhone having only passcode. If you have enabled Face ID, then here you will see require Face ID to unlock or lock private browsing. Enable this feature.